Hello guys. In this part we will talk about simulating your design. Here I have my design up and I have implemented it, and now I'm going to simulate it. In order to do this, I will go to the simulation tab. Here we have provided you with your test bench. I'm going to run this test bench. Once the simulation is done, you should see no errors found here. Now let's go through the output and see what is happening here. Now, in order to observe this simulation better, you should select error flag and II signal here. You can do this by holding down Control and then right click, go to radix, and then select unsigned decimal here. Doing this will make sure that these signals are displayed as unsigned decimals instead of binary. We do this in order to see the counters go up and down as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then see error flag, whether error flag is increased and changed from 0 or not. So let's start from where the reset ends. Here the reset is ended. Let's see what we're getting. So as a reference, we have this here. Let's put this here. This is our 7-segment display. As we discussed in the last part, each segment is represented by a single bit. So here, this A segment would be indicated by the least significant bit in this data out signal. And this point here, decimal point segment here, would be indicated by the most significant bit, while G would be indicated by the second most significant bit. So when the reset has been done, we said that we wanted to display 0. So let's see, what are we displaying? So 0 means enable and 1 means disable. So let's try to read this. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then 1, 1. Meaning that A, B, C, D, E, F are enabled while G and decimal point are disabled. And if you imagine this, this gets you a 0. Let's continue. Now what do we have here? We have everything disabled except B and C. B and C are enabled, but all are disabled. So this would get a line like this, which is 1. Let's continue. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then decimal point. So F and E are disabled. No, sorry. F and C and this decimal point are disabled. So this is activated, this is activated, deactivated, activated, activated, deactivated, activated. So you get something like this, which is 2. And if you keep going, you're going to see that it keeps incrementing. It goes like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. And you will see a similar pattern here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the II signal. Until when? Until here. Why? Because once you get to 9, you have to go back to 0. So if you keep incrementing when you're at 9, you should start from the beginning, go to 0. So we'll keep going like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And then here, look at this. We have our up-down counter input here. Here, it goes to 0, meaning that now we should decrement. Right now we're at 0. So if you start decrementing from 0, what you're going to get? You're going to have to loop back to 9, and then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you wanted to check, here only E and decimal point is disabled, so you get something like this, which is a 9. So this is basically how you're going to simulate your file. And if you get a no errors found here, your design should be running correctly.